basics of how loans work. Everyone borrows money from some lenders, and today, this video will explain how the loans and their procedures work. But if you're into finance and always seeks to learn more details, then subscribe to our channel now to never miss out on more updates we provide on finance, investments, loans, and more. Without further ado, let's begin with the video. A loan is a promise from a lender that the borrower will accept funds and repay the total loan plus interest over a specified period. Each loan's categories are explained in a contract supplied by the lender. Secured loans are those in which borrowers can use an asset as collateral. This increases the lender's confidence in the loan. Unsecured loans are approved without collateral, putting the lender at greater risk. Key loan elements. Before you borrow, it's a good idea to become acquainted with some key terms affiliated with all types of loans. The terms in questions are principal, interest rate, and period. Principal. This is the initial sum of money you borrow from a lender and agree to repay. Term. This is the length of time the loan will be in effect. You must repay the money within this time span. The terms of various types of loan vary. 3 credit cards are revolving loans, which means you can loan and repay quite so many times as you want without having to apply for a new loan. Interest rate. This is the fee charged by the lender to you for borrowing money. It is typically a percentage of the loan amount and is based on the interest rates the Federal Reserve charges banks to borrow money up overnight from one another. 5. This is known as the federal funds rate. It is the rate at which banks supports their interest rates. The federal funds rate is the basis for several rates, including the prime rate, which is a lower rate restricted for the most credit-worthy, such as corporations. Smaller businesses and individuals with varying credit scores are given medium and high rates because they pose a greater risk to the lender. How do payments change over the life of a loan? Less interest is accrued as the principal owing on the loan decreases with each payment. This means that as time goes on, less and less of your monthly bill will go to interest and more to the principal still owed. This is most noticeable in 15 or 30 years lenders that shift progressively over a long period. So, that was all about how a basic loan procedure works. What type of loan are you looking for? Do you know the period of that loan or the interest rate? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on such crucial information and always get to know them before borrowing money.